All right, this just arrived. And this is our all-new windshield protector for our 2026 Toyota Corolla. So we just finished removing it from the box, and it is this like giant tall tube. And it also comes with these accessories. So we have our all-new windshield protector here, and it also comes with all the what's this, tools and accessories for it.
Actually, this is what it comes with. This, but I just bought this from Amazon.
So that's separate. Okay, so that's Amazon, and that's what it comes with. So we got two of our Devos working together side by side. She's now going to clean the windshield. So we are using dish soap and water. She is cleaning the passenger side. And after this, I'm going to be cleaning the driver's side.
All right, so it's his turn now.
Yep. Going to...
Just doing this to remove all the dust and any oil or anything, any debris.
Wow, it's getting clean already.
Yeah.
We are removing the windshield protector, and this is how it looks like when it's fully unboxed. So we are now adding the solution
To water, just a little bit, just to make it soapy enough.
She is now spraying it with the solution. I double checked to for more smudges.
Yeah.
And there was actually a few more that I had to go back to. But right now, she is now applying or finished applying the solution. We're gonna spray the windshield again.
We're gonna use a squeegee to squeegee out the excess water. And you need to just wipe your squeegee out. So now he's doing the driver's side.
We're spraying it again with our solution. The full windshield all getting sprayed.
There's another film, a transparent film that's holding it. So you just need to carefully remove it, because once we lay it out,
Here, I'm gonna hold this.
once we lay it out, we're still gonna spray the actual film with the soapy water to the sticky part, which is this part.
So here is the sticky part right there,
Yeah.
the adhesive part. It really helps when you have someone with you. Right now, I'm holding it or guiding it actually, and I'm just going to stop filming and hold this part right there. Not sure if you guys could tell, but there is a line right here. There you go. I know it's kind of hard to see, but and then it curves. That is the top.
Yeah.
Right there, straight, and then it curves in the bottom. So that's how you know which is the top. Just look at your windshield and just match it. All right, so we are now spraying it with the solution, spraying it some more and some more. This helps us remove the protector. She is almost done removing it from the film. It does help when there's two people. See, I'm holding this, and once I'm done filming, I'm going to help her put it in the windshield. It was kind of tricky putting the protection or the shield here, and we just finished putting the water solution, and now we are going to flatten this out. She is using her hands, and she is doing her best to remove the air bubbles.
Yeah.
She is now going to start from the middle. There you go. She's now going towards the passenger side. Wow, it's starting to look more clean.
Yeah.
And the bubbles are clearing out. Still spraying some more on the top. And It's actually starting to even out already. So that's good. Spraying, and it's my turn now. So we just finished spraying it again, and wow, look, all the bubbles are going away already. So I'm now going to do my side.
All right, so we're using our heat gun to just heat up some edges, just to make sure
And I don't want to go too close.
Yeah.
After using the heat gun, we're still inspecting to see if there are any more bubbles or air bubbles, whatever you want to call it. And after this, we're going to start the car and turn on the heater or the
defroster.
the defroster. Turned on our front defroster. We set it on high, and oh wow, it's getting nice and hot here. And this is how it looks like with the shield on. So it looks pretty clear. So we are now using our glass cleaner. Wow, you could barely tell that there's a shield there. All right, I'm now doing the passenger side. Wow, look how clean this was, or this is.
Yeah. And then now it just needs to heal just a little bit.
Yeah, it needs to go underneath the sun.
Yeah, I think we did a great job
Yeah.
installing this.
And it was kind of fast too.
I know.
I am parked outside and just getting this, what's this, sunbathe or park it underneath the sun. And wow, we did a great job. So we're just letting the sun do its thing. This is how it looks like outside of the garage. So right now we're just checking for some bubbles. And later we're going to drive it around to see how it looks like. We're now here in South Coast Plaza. And we just finished installing our windshield protector. And so far, so good. I mean, I could see it pretty clearly. We just went through the freeway, and right now the sun is up there, and it is getting more. How do you?
Yeah, it just needs more sun, so it will heal more.
Yep. So there you go. You can't even tell that there's a windshield protector there. After going around and eating in the mall, damn, this is how it looks like. It looks like it like we don't even have a windshield protector. Look how it blended in. Wow. So we're here at Terrace by Mix Place, and Terrace by Mix, and this is how it looks like. And I got me their Loco Moco, and she got the Filipino breakfast with chicharron, and we got some calamansi juice. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Okay, let's do this. And we're here at South Coast Plaza, and I don't know if I could put this phone down, but our catalytic converter, oh yeah, you could kind of see it. So far it's doing a great job. We already put a few miles underneath, and it sounds pretty quiet, huh? Yeah, so it looks like we did a great job.